Hi guys, it's One Pinoy Chick Chats. It's nighttime and I have 3 babies, new babies from the incubator. Let's have a check. It's kind of dark here guys. William has still not bought the replacement for the light. Hello babies. I just missed them earlier. I missed the eggs. And as of today, 20th day, I have 3 babies and a lot of eggs cracking. Look at that, it's the peep. And some here, like this one here. So many guys. Oh, they turn, it over. B, help mommy, B, help. Let's see tomorrow how many we're getting. So like right now, oh. So guys, this is the egg and this is perfectly hatched because it cracked on the upper portion, and it's perfectly like this. The crack is perfectly done like this. It's not in the smaller bottom, but in the wider, how you call, smaller end, but on the wider end. It's perfectly hatched guys. Look at this. That means the baby is so healthy, because some are cracked like on this portion here on top. Well, it does not, it means it's not healthy, or it's not in the proper position yet, but you know, the baby wants to come out already, so something is wrong. That means something is wrong. And one black mamba here, little black baby, died. It was able to crack, but not fully cracked. It was just able to open the egg a bit, crack it a bit, and hello, and these are healthy babies. Later babies. And there's I have 9 at the moment, and there's 2 weak ones like this. I tried to help it last night, this one, and now it's wow, it's out of the shell already. Try to crack it open. There's a weak one out there, still moving. So let's see later guys. Good morning guys. Good morning. So check this earlier, and I have 2. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Like the Papa Gray, totally gray. 9. Help, ate, help. Hi guys, so it's the 22nd day. It's March 22, and I put them in March 1, my babies. So last night I had 12 already, 12 babies in the incubator, and I'm not really expecting the usual 85% hatchlings for this batch, because I have 2 new mamas with this one. So let's see guys. So the Kabeer babies and mixed with 1 young Basilan chicken, the Muslim chicken. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello. So my torch is ready. So let's see. Wait, why you jump? Wait, come on. Let little gray, little gray, little gray. So how many of you now? Okay, let mama check, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But this, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The 2 are still wet. How did come this is still wet? See this, guys? This is the perfect hatch. Like, it just amazed me how they crack their eggs open like this. You know, when like their beak is just in one side. And they crack the egg like this. Or I don't know. Oh, there's still some eggs cracking. You need help, baby? Oh, okay. Okay. Mommy help later, okay? I'll spray you, huh? Okay. So we still have more hatching. Okay, full. Full. Not. Not. But let's give it a chance. Okay. It looks like overdue. Like when, you know, when there's no hello. They usually respond if you knock them. Hello. Nothing. But I'll give it a chance. Maybe it's just sleeping. Okay. So guys, it's worth the wait. I still have more babies hatching. I missed them earlier. I mean the remaining eggs, and I found out another one is cracking after that black one earlier. So it's 15, guys, and I helped it open the shell already. And you know, sometimes it's like the shell and there's some membrane. As the longer it stays in the incubator, it becomes thick, and sometimes it becomes a double layer of that membrane. So like it's harder for them to hatch the egg or the shell because of that thickening membrane, guys. So let's see. Here's my babies at the moment, like really excited to see the world. So I just finished cleaning the goat's house and checking my babies if they're eating or not. And I'm happy because they finished all the brands I gave them, the hammered corn. And I want to share to you guys like just something like how do we hatch chicken eggs or turkey eggs before we had our incubator. So like before, William and I went into raising chicken and turkeys together. I was like assisting my parents on our chickens. Like some of these chickens, like especially the native ones, are still owned by mama and papa, and until now, like they're already youngest is 6 years old, and some are even older. The Goldie ones, native chickens, they are owned by mama and papa. So like sometimes I give them chickens because it's theirs anyway. So before incubator time, we help our chickens to hatch by getting the eggs. Like these chickens will just abandon their eggs if like they have enough. It's like when they have 15 eggs and they already have 12, and it's like maybe it's hard for them already to like how you call, hold or grab. So like they would just abandon the babies even it's good eggs. So what we do when they already like bring their babies to the ground, we try to help those eggs if it still makes noise, because like some eggs are really that really not good. Like it has a very thick shell and the membranes are thick or double layered, so it's hard for the baby to come out. No matter how the mama chicken will like rotate it, still won't come. So we need to intervene and like hatch the chickens by ourselves, and the mama will just walk off with the first few babies. It's like the majority of the babies. So we get coconut shell, half of it, like those coconut shells that papa uses or burn as charcoal. So we get half of it, and we crack the shell, open it like I did earlier, and dry it in the sun under the sun like 15 minutes, and then 10 minutes inside, and another 15 minutes just to dry it. And like it's not really like 100% sure that it's gonna come to life, but at least we give it a chance. But mostly, especially if the mama is really in good health condition when laying those eggs, those babies survives, guys. So like it's worth trying, like giving them a chance to live chicken life. So like we dry like maximum of 2 hours to dry them after how you call, hatching them from the shell. And from like 2015 that I came, all of them survived, guys. So like, pero mama said some of it are not really are not successful. They die eventually. But I guess with enough attention to it, enough help, they will survive, guys. So guys, they are ready to move. Look at them. Look at them. Ready to move. They're all dry now. Your house is ready, babies. Wait, we'll be there soon. So guys, these 15 babies, 14, 15, I'll count later. But these are left, like I give it one more day to stay here in the incubator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, ready? Yay! We're moving, we're moving. Daddy! They're ready. They're ready to move.
Holy doody!
So one is still like, what is the smallest? Yeah, like just like the papa.
Oh,
just a little mamba.
Should you lift this one back inside for a bit longer till they dry, or are you happy with
No,
that?
it's okay, hon, because it's daytime, it's noontime.
Well, that's all those eggs you collected, dolls.
Yeah.
You're amazing, dolls.
Told you. Oh, their house. You prepared their house, Daddy.
Can't get over that one.
That's like the papa. See the papa, hon? Gray one.
Look at that. Right, so what I've done, I've disinfected all the mats down, pressure cleaned them down, the bottles, so it's a fully new environmental sterile. I've got plenty of tucker here for them, the baby tucker. See all the little baby tucker? Everything's ready to go.
Yay!
There you go.
That will dry up in the heat. What's your setting, hon?
I'll turn it down to low. There you go.
Okay, babies? So, how much did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you added 4?
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye. Bye. So guys, my babies are now finally moved. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, One Pinoy Chick Chat.